So this is a laboratory course, especially for second year students. This laboratory courses is introduced in the view they should aware about all the active and passive components. Mainly, whatever maybe you have selected the electrical and electronics engineering marine as your specialization. So whatever may be the theory subject and also laboratory courses you are going to study hereafter, it's exclusively covering all the components. So you should have so thorough knowledge about all these active and passive components and measuring instruments also. And measuring instruments, that is a very important purpose why the particular laboratory courses called electrical workshop practices is introduced. Okay, so in this laboratory courses, you are going to study we are going to study 10 experiments. That is, we are going to do actually, if it is a really lab, means we have to conduct the experiments. But we need not to worry. That is already Ministry of Human Resources and Development. So, okay, they have taken a very good initiative. So, all these experiments we can able to learn. We can able to learn from the simulation part also. Of course, definitely it will not give that much hands-on experience how we are doing in a laboratory, but it is helping us to understand the really the process, what are all the components, especially as per our lab is concerned, what are all the components there, what are all the measuring instruments there, how we can able to use some basic concepts of wiring, how we are doing it wiring. So the mainly after the completion of the course, definitely you have to get job in the marine industries and all means now itself we have to start exploring the what is the layout, electrical layout, how a small starting from a small connection to a fluorescent lamp or single lamp control between switch to electrical layout you should know. So out of this 10 experiments, we are having three experiment as a study experiment. So the number one, first one is the study of electronic components. That is including active and passive elements. That I already know. You should know by this time. The active elements are all transistors, amplifiers, which are all capable of circulating a net energy to a circuit is called active elements. Passive elements and all we can call two terminals, that is inductor, capacitor, resistors. This and all comes under the passive elements. So you may know so far you may study maybe from the school level, 8th, 9th standard onwards, maybe in the 11th and 12th, you may be elaborately studied about this complex. But with the view of engineering, with the view of applying the same in any circuitry concept, you should know that particular one. And next important thing, as I told, you should know the measuring instrument. What are all the measuring instruments by using, say, for example, here we have taken four different instruments, major instruments. Hereafter, in all the laboratory, irrespective of the lab, you are going to use these measuring instruments, electronic instruments and equipment, especially cathode rays, oscilloscope, CRO, function generator, power supply, different power supplies, and of course digital multimeters. These are all the modern tools that you should know how to use them. First of all, you should study what is this instrument and what are all the different parameters that can be measured or that can be calculated using this multimeter, how it is functioning, what are the terminals are available. If I want a specific measurement of some parameter, how I can go and use that, what are the limitations, everything you should know. Likewise, the logic gates. So as a result of first one, so we have to go for amplification and all means we are very often we are all using a integrated circuits. So definitely we should know logic gates. Okay, so all the logic gates. What are all the logic gates? How we can able to verify that? Suppose if you are given IC, you are provided with IC means you should be able to tell how many uh, OR gate or NAND gate, NOR gate, they are available. How we can able to check whether the particular gate is working or not by energizing the gates. These are all the important things. And another one aspect, whatever may be the circuit and all we are studying, in real-time implementation, we are not doing it as it is. So definitely we are going for the printed circuit board that is called PCB fabrication. So in that form only we are realizing. If you see all the appliances, especially electronic appliances, if you take whether it is a laptop, whether it is a television, or whether it is any control unit, inside any circuit board. If you see small PCB, the printed circuit boards, so all the small tiny components, they are all soldered in that and make it as a circuit that is working. Because of the circuit, a small PCB circuit inside the particular control unit only, everything is working well. So as an electrical engineer, you should know how to fabricate this PCB by a plain with a plain board, how we can able to make a circuit, what are all the tools that we have to use, what are all the different diagrams. Suppose if you are seeing a PCB as a single hardware output, we are seeing, okay, having a number of tiny and small components we are seeing. But if you want to fabricate a PCB, there is a six different diagram we have to draw. So after that only it can be executed. So properly verifying that after that only. So definitely very good job opportunities, especially you can go any companies, any industries, even in R&D divisions also. If you are good enough in PCB fabrication, so definitely different circuit we can able to check, we can able to incorporate, we can able to minimize. So earlier, some 20 years before, it was manually done. Now it is everything is automated. A lot of software is also coming. So with that view, it is not only a hardware fabrication. Now it is taken care by the software. So I am going to introduce TINA, a software which is exclusively we can use. A lot of others of Arcade is there. A lot of other so many softwares are there. In this is a user-friendly version. So beginners, especially those who are starting, okay, learning this PCB, they can start with the TINA. That is why I have taken. You are having a two experiments in that, and another one is sixth experiment, as I told, wiring part. So wiring part also you should start experiencing the real time do. So of course now since it's a lockdown and all, but we are having a very good initiatives by the MHRD that we can able to use all the simulation tool there itself we can able to bring one lamp, wires, supplies and etc. If I'm connecting that, what will happen? Why it is not working, okay, and why it is working, how it is working, everything you can learn. So without having actual hardware, okay, even sometimes if I'm saying that if you are given with the hardware, if you are unknowingly if you short circuited, so maybe a damage. But as far as the simulation is concerned, nothing will happen. If you are short circuited, it will show zero current or fuse may be blown. That also able to we can able to simulate. We can able to once again do that without having any losses or damage to the hardware. We can able to do that. Of course, of course, maybe in future it may be coming as you have to go for different type of this type of hardware experiments. Before going to the hardware experiments, you should prove that you are having some sufficient knowledge in how to execute the particular circuit or how to execute the particular system by means of a simulation. That also may be coming. So with the view of that only, sixth and seventh experiment is introduced. And of course, next one is also the same kind, staircase wiring. So very often, one floor to ground floor to first floor to whenever we are moving, so there is a need of illumination in the night time. Okay, so when there is a dark, we need. So at the same time, we cannot keep all the lamps on in all the floors. Whenever we are moved to a particular floor, we should be provided with a switch off position. So now it is already existing, the staircase wiring. What is that staircase wiring? What is a godown wiring? If you have taken any goods to a godown, so godown is a very, each compartment will be there. Very some 13, 14 compartments will be there. So you have to go and store. You have to go and store some goods in the 13th compartment. You need not to switch on all the 13 compartments lights. So whenever you're moving to one compartment to another compartment, by a single switch, we can able to off the previous compartment switch and on the next compartment switch. So likewise, there are so many wirings already existing. How we can able to do that? As I already told you, are all electrical electronics engineering marine. So you should have finally, we are all equipped you. We are all giving, uh, preparing you to for a job in the marine industries only. So as an electrical and electronics engineer, especially ETO, you should know what is a SIP electrical layer. That is also here we are introduced. And insulation machine. Insulation is nothing but it is acting as a medium, okay, which is acting as a medium by which the ongoing, okay, electricity is not exposed to the outside. So it is preventing. Suppose any, so all the wires, all the cables and all, they're having insulation. how we can test that it is not having any leakage current? Okay, so what is a measuring instrument and all is available. In that way, we are going to proceed with that. Okay, so as other labs are doing, okay, we are also going to use that is virtual lab only, vlab.co.in. That is what is the initiative by the MHRD. Okay, so that only we are going to take it. So this is the very first experiment. Okay, this is a very first experiment. As I already told, a lot of components are there. I have divided. I have prepared a detailed concept. So that is this hour and next hour, we are going to completely study the very first passive component, resistor, study of resistor. So we are going to see, okay, what is a unit of resistor, how to measure the value of resistor, tolerance, and etc. that we are going to see, and different types of resistor also we are going to see next class. After that, the same given as a first experiment, active and passive element. Even a passive element is having a 3. Okay. Then immediately after that, we are going to study about the capacitor. So this class, next class, and forthcoming 3 classes, it is going to be study experiment only that we are going to cover. Okay. Then after that, for the second experiment, verification of the interpretation of the truth table. Okay, these are all the logic gates we are going to verify. That is exclusively using a VLab only. Okay, and I am going to introduce what are the applications we can do as an electrical engineer, as an electrical and electronics engineer. You should know using these gates. I told you, staircase wiring. Staircase wiring. Normally, we are using a backlight switch is there. Okay, all the manufacturers, Anchor, all the standard companies, they are manufacturing a staircase switches. But as an electrical electronics engineer, is there any means we can able to create by using a gates? Okay, by using a gates, whether we can able to go for a staircase wiring. Okay, that I am going to do on multi-sim. So these are all the things we have planned. Okay, any clarification up to this? Hello, are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, any clarification? Totally 10 experiments. So each experiment may have subdivision, especially first experiment, it is having a subdivision, third experiment having subdivision, because so many gates are there, we are not going to do. So I'm going to divide them as a 2E, 2B, 2C like that. Okay. So first 3 experiment we are going to see study, because very basic. I'm going to introduce, I'm going to show the figures, I'm going to tell you how to calculate. Okay. Have you studied color coding methods already in first and second semester? Have you undergone any laboratory courses which
Sir,
having a experiment? Have you studied any experiments on resistor color coding? Color coding.
sir, BB Roy have
Uh,
my wife, sir.
suppose if I'm giving you a resistor, can you able to tell me what is the value practically? I'm asking. That is okay. BB Roy, Great Britain, very good wife like that. You may be able to remember what are all the things. What is that B stands for? Anybody stay able to say what is the first color? Black. What is the last color? W.
Bro,
Huh?
white, sir.
White. So if I'm giving a practically, have you seen resistor practically? How to identify the value on which the color is given? Have you done any experiments practically? No. Okay. This class maybe hope that if you are listen to this, okay, very attentionally, very focused manner, definitely you can able to understand something. So first we will see what is a resistor. What is a resistor? It is a passive component. Okay, that is used in any electrical circuit to reduce the current level. So whenever you are introducing any component, resistor, passive component resistor in the circuit, automatically current will be reduced. So if you are increasing the resistance, current will be reduced. So how it is reduced means it is having a voltage drop. What is a voltage drop is equal to V is equal to IR. That and all you already studied in the second level, second semester level. Okay, so very importantly, these as one of you said, these all resistors are okay. They are all having a color coding. Why they are not printed means it is a very suppose if I'm taking okay a 10 ohm resistors 0.25 watts means very tiny, very tiny. Okay, very small component. In that, if anybody print that this is a 10 ohm means definitely nobody can able to read that. Nobody able to read that. Even a single digits may be printed means it is a numerical values only. So if there is any dirt on the particular place where we are going to see, nobody able to identify the particular tiny resistor value. That is the reason why they have used okay on the circumference. So like a ring, okay, they have used some color codes. So this is not only they are following it for resistors, they are also introduced for inductors and capacitors too. Such other passive components also. So mainly because if you are able to see even at a considerable amount of distance by simply having by recognizing these colors that's quoted on the particular resistor or inductor or capacitor, we can able to get the values. Okay, how we are going to see? There are three different kind of bands are there, kind of bands. One is a 4-band resistor, 5-band resistor, 6-band resistors. Nothing but we are going to have 4 colors, 5 colors, and 6 colors. So what is why we are not having a single band mean? So obviously you are all knowing that the temperature plays a very important role. Okay, so we have to give a tolerance. Suppose any resistors, so it can be increased when the temperature is increased. So there is a need, there will be alteration in the value of the resistor based on the temperature, surrounding temperature or atmospheric temperature. That tolerance rate we should know. Suppose if I'm saying 100 ohm I'm having, it is having a 5% tolerance means, that means if temperature is more, it may go up to 105. If temperature is less, even at the full value, it may be only offering a resistance of 95 ohms like that. So some 5% of tolerance. So based on that only they are created. Suppose a 5-band and 6-band resistors means they are having very fractional percentage of variation, whereas 4-band resistors having some full number 5%, 10%. Usually 4-band resistors is having a two different important color coding, that is gold and silver for tolerance. The name is called tolerance. Tolerance is variations in the value. Okay, that can be exhibited by a resistors. Okay, so this is what their color. This is what their color. If a 4-band resistors is there, so there is a 4 colors will be there. So if you see that some of the colors very nearer to each other, and another side it will very in a very distinct position, distance position. Okay, so always you have to keep, if you want to measure the resistor, you have to keep the resistor in such a way that okay, left hand side. So all the colors, okay, all the colors which are all nearer to each other. Okay, that from that only we have to calculate. If you are keeping in this direction, say for example, a violet color is there. If you are keeping this direction, you will be wrongly calculated. Definitely between these both ends, a sufficient space will be there. Sufficient space will be there. As I already told, this is a 4-band resistor. Okay, this is a 4-band resistor. Okay, it is having a 3 color here and 1 color here. That's why it's called 4-band. 3+1 4-band. Okay, this is this left hand side. Okay, which are all very nearer to each other. The very first one we have to take it as a first digit. Whenever you are taken for consideration of calculation, that very first least one, okay, that you have to take it as first one. The next one is a second digit, and of course, obviously, always the last one in the middle of the band. Okay, at the first half of the band is always multiplied. Suppose in case of a 5-band, like the same way 4-band, first three will be contributing to the first and second digit and third digit, whereas okay, the first of end will be always multiplier. Even if you take a 6 band, okay, so there is also first 3 digit is having a digit information, and this one is having a multiplier information, and remaining two are tolerances. As I already told, tolerances. Okay, tolerances. Tolerances is nothing but how much is the percentage of variation in the resistance may happen if you, because of the temperature rise and all, that can happen. Okay, so this is what 4, 5, 6 band resistors are there. Already we have seen that. So if you want to select a very good resistor, okay, you have to identify the very low tolerance one. Okay, so if you want very precisely, if you want to have in a circuit one resistor that should be very precise value, means you should always go for a very low tolerance. So if I'm giving a 5% tolerance, 8% or 10% tolerance, but I want to get a very accurate result in the circuit, means which one will go? Any answer? Which tolerance rate you will go? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Which tolerance? If I want to get a very accurate result in my circuit, I am providing you with the three different resistors with the three different values. Okay, say for example, I am giving you 300 ohm resistor. Three resistors I am giving you, each having a different tolerance. First resistance having a 5% tolerance. Second resistor is having a 8% tolerance. Third one is having a 10% tolerance. Which one you have to choose?
10.
No, 5. 5% only. If suppose 100 ohm means, what will be the range of resistance? It may go vary from 95 to 105 only. If you have taken a 10%, what will happen? My resistance value will be varying from 90 to 110, plus or minus. Okay, huge variation. So if I want to get accurate result of any circuit, I have to select okay, resistor which is having a very low percentage of tolerance. Okay, that is what here explained. So likewise, there we have seen that in the 6-band resistor, only 6-band resistor is having a TCR, that is called temperature coefficient of resistance. The rate at which the resistance of the resistor change with change in the temperature. So if a temperature, surrounding temperature, or maybe due to the circuit, okay, whenever current is going, automatically this will dissipate some heat. Resistors will be dissipating some heat, because we are all knowing that power dissipation in resistor, what is the value? Is equal to I square R. I square R. So automatically when the current is going very high, automatically this will be getting heated. So for each degree Kelvin, what will be the rate at which the temperature is changed, that is given as TCR. This is exclusively used, okay, very precise value, where a tolerance is in terms of 2%, 0.5%, where they are given tolerance 0.5% only. So suppose if I'm taking 100 ohm, the value can be vary from 99.5 to 100.5 only. That much precise resistance. So at that time, I should specify what is the temperature coefficient of the resistance also. So this TCR will be always available only in 6-band resistor. There are 3 different band resistors: 4-band, 5-band, 6-band resistor. So 4-band resistors usually having a only two such a coding. Okay, tolerance coding. One is gold and silver. Likewise, 5-band also. Okay, but 5-band we are having number of brown other tolerances also is there. We are going to see. But the TCR, that is nothing but temperature coefficient of resistance, is only available in the 6-band resistor. This is how we will all know that. Okay, so remaining and all same only. I have to keep. So this is here. How to hold for calculation? Suppose if I'm giving you, okay, resistor, same resistor. If you are, when you are calculating the calculation, if you are keeping, okay, the tolerance or the gold, okay, coating on the left hand side, that is wrong keeping. So you have to keep all the resistors which are all nearer together, that is in the left hand side, whereas after some distance only we are having a gold coating here. So this is a way we have to keep for measuring. That is what here is mentioned. Hold the resistor. Look for the 3 or 4 color which they are near on each other. 3 or 4. ஓகே அது எந்த கலரா இருந்தாலும் 4 தான் மேக்ஸிமம் வரும். 6 பேண்டா இருந்தாலும் 5 பேண்டா இருந்தாலும் 4 தான் மேக்ஸிமம். Which are all having very nearer that you have to see. Okay, and very importantly, never use color black. So don't suppose sometimes you may be sometimes you may be understand that the very first color is black. So black will not be coming as a very first color. But as per the remembering of color code, BB Roy, you are saying that their black is first. But as per the coding, really manufacturing, when they are manufacturing, okay, black, okay, will not be used as a first color because its value is 0. So 0 doesn't have any meaning. Suppose if you are writing any number, if I'm writing 0, 22, means what? This is 22 only. I need not to mention this. Okay, likewise, if I'm mentioning 1000, okay, 0, 1, 0, 0, no one will be mentioning. So likewise, if black is having a code 0, so no manufacturer will provide a very first color as a black color because such a coding is not necessary. So you should always remember that black never used as a first color, okay, of a band of any resistor. Okay, so we have seen that, okay, 6 band resistors means first color represent first digit, second color represent second digit, third color represent third significant digit, fourth color represents multiplier, decimal multiplier. Decimal multiplier is nothing but usually it start from 10 power 0, 10 power 1, same order, BB right, okay, 10 square, okay, okay, same way. Or otherwise we are usually called as number of zeros, Here no zero is there, okay, here only. Because 10 power 0 is equal to what? 10 power, any power 0 is 1. 10 power 1, 10, here only number of zeros 1 comes. Okay, so usually we will call it as a number of zeros. This will add a number of zeros. So this fourth color band is always decimal multiplier. Fifth color of the band indicators resistor tolerance. So that is what I told, whether gold or silver. Okay, 6-band cases we are having orange, we are having even black. All the tolerances limiters also is there. In addition to the 6-band, only 6-band resistors will having a TCR, that is called temperature coefficient of resistance. That's what we have seen here. See, only in 6-band. If you see, okay, in 4-band only tolerance is there, 5-band only tolerance is there, but only in 6-band only additionally TCR is there. Okay, so this is how we can able to distinguish. Here 3 colors only means 4-band. Here 4 colors only means 5-band. Here 4 colors, but additionally 2 on the right hand side means tolerance in TCR, that is called 6-band resistors. Okay, this is how. So the same way 5-band resistors and 4-band resistors also is there. So this is how we have to identify, okay, color. Already we know what is first digit, second digit, multiplier, tolerance. Suppose if I'm having a 4-band resistor, 4 colors will be there. Okay, first color, second color, third color, and tolerance color will be there. Okay, how to remember? As you said, BB Roy. Okay, Great Britain. Okay, very good wife. Okay, and gold and silver. This is how. So what is the value you have to retain is for all the digits except multiplier 0 to 9, black to white. It is going black, very first color, because BB means 2 B's are there. The first color is black, last color is white. Likewise, in between one G also is there. You should not confuse that. Green only will comes first, gray comes next. So if this information, if you are keeping it there, by remembering this BB Roy, that information, okay, the colloquial way of remembering the order of color code, that will very much work well. Okay, BB Roy, black, brown, or red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white. Okay, so gold is always having, okay, gold is having 5%, 5% tolerance, Silver is having 10%. Okay, silver is having 7%. Gold is nothing but it is very good. In the 4-band resistor, it is very good. Suppose if I'm taking a 100 ohm means the variation is between 95 to 100. That is 100 minus 5 or 100 plus 5. But silver is having a slight more variation 100 minus 10 or 100 plus 10. That is 90 or up to 110 ohm. It may be varying. So that is what here it is given. Sometimes, sometimes in 4-chord color resistors, some more okay. But usually 4-band resistors, it will not. The tolerance will be given. Okay, tolerance. Other than this gold silver, they may be using tolerance also. Suppose among this, which tolerance is very high means gray color tolerance is very. It is having 0.05 percentage. Suppose if I'm having a 4-band resistor, I'm giving a two 4-band resistor in which one is having a gold, okay, that is a tolerance band is gold. Another is only having gray means I have to select a gray coded tolerance only because it is only allowing 0.05 percentage, 5%, 10 times more accurate. Okay, here it is nothing but 99.95 to 100.05. That is the only variation it will allow. So this is showing the percentage of the tolerances. Okay, the same way how to remember. I have taken a different way. Okay, BB Roy of Great Britain has a very good watch made up of gold and silver. BB Roy, okay, BB Roy of Great Britain has a very good watch made up of gold, silver. So anyone able to tell what is that? I will ask one. What about Jodish GJ, Jodish, Jodish, unmute your mic. Jodish is there, or keep the online on, and he gone out. Jodish is not there. Huh? So you should be always attentive. Question may be asked to anybody. Okay. What about Abhinav? Abhinav? Yes, Abhinav. Okay, we'll have at the end of that, we'll have one quiz. This is the way we are all remembering. BB Roy of Great Britain has a very good watch made of a gold star. So here, what is that? Black, brown, okay, red, orange, yellow. Which G should come? Green, okay, blue, violet, gray, and white, gold, silver. So like the same way, the 5-band, okay, 5-band resistor also is having 5-band resistor is having another one digit, that is first and second, third digit, fourth digit only multiply. As I already told, always multiply. 10 power 0 is nothing but 1. 10 power 1 is 10 square. We have to multiply. Okay. So this is how we are all measuring the value of the resistor. Okay. So here, here I have taken one resistor in which how to identify. Okay. So band one. This is first digit. Band two. Okay. First one is in red color, and another one is in yellow color. Second band is in yellow color. Third band is in green color, and tolerance band in silver. Okay, so we have to write the digit. What is a digit? Okay, how we are doing? Say for example, here green. Okay, here green color is there. What is the number of green color? If you go to that, green is 5. First digit 5. For the first digit, second digit, all the digit, it is 5 only. So I am making it 5. Second one is black. So for the black, it is 0. Very first one, 0. Okay. And third band is orange. Here, since it's having only four band color, third one is for multiplier. multiply. What is the orange? Orange we are having 10 power 3. That is nothing but 1000. That is why it is multiplied by 1000. So automatically this value is 50,000 ohms. Since a silver coding is there, silver coding is used, this is having plus or minus 10%. So this resistor value is 50,000 ohms. 50,000 ohms. So whenever I'm given you any hardware, that is a tiny component resistor, and ask you to calculate, you have to calculate like this. In a reverse way also we can do that. Suppose if I know the value is given that 350 ohms. Suppose in the usual practice laboratory, what they will do in all circuits, whether circuits lab or all other lab hereafter we are going to do, they will mention you in the names only. Take load as a 350 ohms resistor, like that they will tell. So you have to go until ask lab technician. Lab technician will you give a bunch of resistor, you select and get it. How will you identify which is 350 ohms? This is a way. What is the number 3? 3 color stands for orange. So first band should be in orange color. Second band should be in green color. Okay. Third band should be in a brown color. Okay. How it is that? It is multiplied by 10. I multiply by 10. Okay. That is why here it is not showing a third one is not showing a digit. It is multiplier. 35 into 10. That is why we are putting brown color. You should not search for a black color here. So you should know very clearly. And 5% means automatically it should be with a gold. If I'm giving a 10%, it should be silver. So from the values also we can able to take color bands. Okay. So this is how we have to go for that. Okay. Able to understand? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will test how much you are all understand. Okay. So I'm in the chat box. I'm giving you one small link quiz. All of you try. All the I see. I'm telling you at the end of this class, I will get report how many of you attended, how many of you scored also. Okay. So you all just follow. You all just copy that from the chat box. I put it in the chat box. You all copy. So now it is available in the chat box. Copy and paste. Have you all done? All of you. All the 15 students. Now we are going to verify whether you understood or not. All of you done? Copy and paste in the browser. That is available in the chat box. Copy this and paste it in a browser. Paste it in a browser. All ready? All are ready? Shall we start? No one is answering. Why?
Sir,
Shall we start? Suppose if you are asked the code is asked means you have to enter this code. I am entering the code in chat box. Shall we start?
yes, sir.
Okay, I am starting. Only 20 or 30 seconds only, depends on question. It will go blue, green, black, orange, gold. What will the resistance value? 30 seconds I have given. Blue, green, black, orange, gold. What will be the resistance value? What will be the tolerance? Just type. Calculate what is blue digit, what is green digit, and black, orange, gold. You type. Now 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. I don't know how many of you answered. Correct answer is 650 ohms, 5%. 650 ohms, 5%. No one answered. Okay, we'll go to next question. Question 2. Shall we go? Hello?
Yes,
Shall we
sir.
go? Yes. Yellow, white, red, silver. Now adder is yellow, white, red, silver. You have to select only whether it is 4.5 ohms 5%, 4.9 ohms 10%, 4.9 kilo ohms 5%, 4.9 kilo ohms 10%, or 4.9 mega ohms 10%. Correct answer is 4.9 kilo ohms. I think nobody answered. I think I'm going to mark here and all assessment. All of you listen. This is every laboratory like preparation. This is assessment. Okay, everything is marked.
Sir, network problem, sir. That's why slowly loading, sir.
Okay.
Login or sign up.
Huh?
It will ask to log in or sign up, sir.
Okay, but what I can do, network and all, you have to get some good because hereafter almost this semester continuously we are going to depend on this only.
Okay, sir. That's okay, sir. It's in the link. It will ask sign up or login, sir.
Login. That's what I given. No, this code you have to enter. That's why I'm asking whether you are all ready. Because once you enter all the 4 questions, you can attend.
Sir, link is not opening, sir.
Now only you are saying. I very first itself I asked, whether ready, shall we go? After that only I press enter.
That time I am trying.
Okay, we'll see. Now okay, coming on. Tell me.
No, sir.
You just copy the code I have given, no? That code you have copied, that code you have pasted in the browser.
After that, it's only showing white screen, sir.
Huh?
Only loading.
Loading. But the network, that is menti.com only. Immediately it will go. Because in front of you only, I'm also doing online only. I'm doing.
சார் இது மாதிரி வருது சார் ஓபன் பண்ணா
இது மாதிரி எனக்கு தெரியலையே. எனக்கு நம்ம ஆன்லைன்ல குவிஸ்ல இருக்கறனால அது தெரியல.
உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கேன் பாரு சார் இந்த சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல. ஓபன் ஆக மாட்டேன் வந்து இது மாதிரியே இருக்கு சார்.
நீ கொஸ்டின் வந்திருக்குது.
ஆனா ஆன்சர் பண்ண முடியல சார். பண்ண முடியல. கீழ அந்த மாதிரி ஷேர், காப்பி இந்த மாதிரி தான் வருது.
இல்ல நீங்க அதுல டைப் பண்ணனும். இந்த क्वेश्चन இப்ப ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்க.
முடியல சார். வரல சார். அது டைப் பண்ற ஆப்ஷன் வரல சார் எனக்கு.
இப்ப லாஸ்ட் क्वेश्चन இருந்தது இல்லையா? அதுல கீழ 3 ஆன்சர் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு பாத்தீங்களா? சேம் வே
இது மாதிரி வரல சார்.
எந்த browser யூஸ் பண்றீங்க?
நான் எங்களுக்கு யூசி ப்ரௌசர் இருக்கு. அதுக்கு அப்புறம் விவோ ப்ரௌசர் கூட ட்ரை பண்ணோம் சார். ரெண்டுத்துலயும் வரல. அது மாதிரி தான் வருது.
ட்ரை டு யூஸ் Chrome browser பா. Chrome. மொபைல்ல கூட Chrome browser யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இந்த क्वेश्चन வருதான்னு பாருங்க. தெரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? 10 ohms plus or minus 5% is என்னன்னு டைப் பண்ணுங்க. இதுக்கு கோடு டைப் பண்ணுங்க. கோடு 10 ohmக்கு என்ன கோடுன்னு. Correct answer is brown, black, gold. Next. This is the last question. Okay, because we are running out of time. We have to finish.
அதுலயும் அது மாதிரி தான் வருது சார்.
Okay, sometimes browser fault. All of you getting like that?
Yes, sir.
Black may come as a first color in coding of resistor. No, yes, may come. ஏதாவது ஒன்று கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் கிளிக் பண்ணணும். No one did. Correct. Okay, we will see. What is the score coming? No results. Nobody participated. See, here in online, we are having a laboratory classes. Whether because we are doing in virtual mode, okay, I cannot come and look into all your screen whether you are all practicing or not. Okay, so that is why I am using a common questions like this, so and try to assess you. Yes. Yes, tell me. Okay, so you should suppose if you are not browser net connection and all means we cannot assess. It's not a single way. No, if it is a theory courses, you can listen. After sometimes also you can able to download the videos and all. But the laboratory courses, whether you understood or not, that is very more important than how much I am teaching. Okay, so yes, tell me. Before the commencement, I asked whether I can proceed or not. Nobody says no. Everybody kept silent. And one person told that, yes, sir, ready, sir, come. But now everybody is telling same. Not correct.
At that time
Okay.
we are checking.
Huh?
At that time
Then,
you are. At that time we are
then
checking.
okay. See here. You don't hesitate to say, sir, it is not at opening, sir. It's still. Then I can wait. No. See, unless otherwise I enter. Okay, the quiz questions will not proceed. How long? Even 10 minutes also it will be there. If you all say one or two, they said, yes, sir, we can go like that only. That's why gone. Very much important for engineers responding. Okay, responding the practical situation where it is really you have to communicate well. That is a very important thing. That is a very important trait or quality should have. What is a problem that you have to effectively convey. Otherwise, what the people will say, misunderstood that you are all okay, everything is going on like that. We will keep on going. So after conducting these visitors only, I can able to see that. How can we then that is you are all attending? Okay, tell me. I am giving you another slide. In chart bags, I need answer for first one. Chart bags you put. What is a brown, black, brown, cold? For that, what is the value? You put all of you put it in your chat box. Answers. Now chat box is working, no? That you can tell. It is very well working. Okay. You put one. What is the value and percentage at all? 2, what is the value and percentage at all? I'll give you just 1 minute for completing. Now 1 minute start. $25 seconds over. Each will take only 20 seconds only. If you remember, we will put immediately two digit, multiply by whether 10 or 100 or 50, sorry, 1000, 10,000 like that. What is the percentage? Tolerance 5% or 10%. That's all. Very easy. Each question. Okay. So now 45. All of you put it in the chat box. Tell me what is the problem now. Input it in chat box. Huh? No one did except Nitin. Nitin and Uday Kumar. Now one by one. That's all. Time is very important. See here, it is like selection of resistance, and knowing the value. Okay, for all the things. One is how much, two is how much. So still, all of you forgot to put the percentage. I have given no very clearly. I have given. Okay, each having a gold, silver. Okay, likewise. So the first two only. What is the digit? That is a brown. What's the brown value? 1. Black 0. Then brown means 100. You have to put plus or minus 10 percentage. No one did that. No one put that. Tolerance. Okay, that is very, very important. How quickly? Okay, so likewise, I am giving you for B part. All of you ready? Okay, all of you ready? I will download the chat also. Who are all responded? Only one question. Nitin, Uday. Now you go ahead. Go for the second part. Now you tell me the colors. What are the colors? Color codes. First one is 12 ohms plus or minus 5%. I will give you now. Time starts now. 1 minute. 5 seconds over. Now give me the color codes. Once you calculated, immediately type it in chat box. All of you. Almost 45 seconds over. Okay, time over. Up to Namal Shakit. Okay, Arun Kumar. Okay, we can have up to Arun Kumar. Brown, red, gold. All of you calculated for first one only. Brown, red, gold. Whether we can tell it in 3 color, correct? Brown, red, gold. See, minimum. I'm telling you. Okay, so many of you definitely will have a problem because you are all the learner only. Okay, minimum 4 band. 4 band is the minimum one. So 4 band is the minimum one means how many colors we have to say? All of you, listen. How many colors should be there? 3 color or 4 color? 4 colors should be there. But all of you still a bit copied. Brown, red, brown, red, brown, red. 3 color only given. Minimum itself 4 band. Last one is for the tolerance. Gold is for the tolerance. That is right. For 12 color, how much we have to say? Definitely black should come. What is the black value? 10 power 0 into 1. Okay, first 3 colors should be coming. So what is the value? What is the color then? It should be brown, red, black, gold. Brown, red, black, gold. Okay. Okay. So I will communicate. Another one important thing in the chat box. I am just giving you a link. All of you. Okay. Immediately copy and all of you respond. That is your contact details and all I need for communicating, and your mail ID also I need. I am just putting it in a. Now it is available in chat box. Just click the link, your name, email ID, your WhatsApp number, any other number, register number, roll number. Just all of you, all the persons should complete that. Okay. So to your mail ID, I will forward this work. Okay. You have to complete it in a neatly written paper. The procedure I will communicate through WhatsApp. You have to send it to me before next week, before coming to next lab. Okay. Any clarification? Have you all able to open that link? Hello.
Yes, sir.
In
Yes,
that
sir.
link, I need your details. Give your WhatsApp number and another contact number also. That also I'm having provision. Give your details to your mail ID. I will forward. Before coming to next week, I will give it in a formal way. How to you have to submit. Okay, for this one that you have to submit. Okay, so when you are doing it, really involve and do it, because as I already told, this is the basic. Whether you are hereafter you are going to water, even after 20 years or 25 years of your service, definitely you have to go ahead with this type of passive components. So if you don't know these basic components, how to select the value or how to go with the reverse, knowing the value and selecting color or selecting the colors, writing the value, definitely it will not help. For your information, I'm telling you, many engineering students, when they are going to industry or in the interview, they are struggling. In interview, nobody will ask very rocket science or supersonic how to launch like that. They're going to ask. They're going to only ask about fundamentals. Only fundamentals. Okay, these are all very important learning point. These things you should know even at the sleeping. When you are sleeping, if I wake up you and ask you what is the value 47 plus 5%, you should be able to tell. In such a way, you should practice that. Don't copy it from others. Don't copy it from a book or net. Do it. This only will help you. This is your first exercise. Okay, this is
Sir.
your first exercise. I will communicate how to you have to submit. Okay, so before next week, I should get it in my WhatsApp in the format I have given. Okay, you have to send it to me. I will correct it and send it to you also. Okay. Okay. With this, we will wind up today's class.
Sir,
Any clarification? Yes, clarification.
mark the
Yes.
attendance, sir.
Huh?
Mark the attendance, sir.
I will take. I'll download it. I think.
Okay, sir.
Here. Wait a minute. Wait. Don't left the class. Here. Wait. I will download attendance sheet. How many of you present now?
15 members.
1-5. Okay. If I possible, I'll take attendance also. Inform others also. If they are losing lab attendance, it's very difficult. Okay, because definitely this complete semester is going to be like that. So next class we will start some simulation in resistors using VLab. If they miss the class, it's too difficult. Okay. I'll just save. I'll after based on sheet only I'll confirm. Anyhow, I'll take attendance. Abhinav is there. V Abhinav. Yes, Abhinav.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, present.
Aditya.
Abhinav,
Yes, sir, present.
Anand. Anandu.
Present, sir.
Arun Kumar.
Sir.
Ashwin. Azad. Azad. Azad not there. Basil. Emmanuel. Jyotish.
Yes, sir, present, sir.
Sevaga Perumal.
Absent, sir.
Louis Paul. Absent. Madhuban.
Present, sir.
Namal Shaket.
Present, sir.
Nitin.
Present, sir.
Nitish. Nishit. Nitish. Absent. Sriraj. Sriraj. Syed. Syed Mohammed. Uday Kumar.
Present, sir.
Sir, Sriraj present, sir.
Sriraj. Where you
Sir.
gone? When I'm asking you. Huh?
Sir, network
Azad
problem,
is
sir.
there?
வெளில போயிடுச்சு, sir.
Azad. Azad.
Sir,
You tell me whenever I'm the roll call is there, you have to answer your roll call. Uday Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Veeramaniandan.
Absent, sir.
Okay. Vikas Patel. Absent.
Absent.
Vinit.
Present, sir.
Okay. Sudeep Alex.
Absent. Absent, sir.
Okay. Anybody else here? I mark absent but present. No one. Okay. I'll save attendance. I'll check with the data sheet. Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. You can go. You can leave.
Hello.